Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change your default password on your master decoder. So if you want to change it, this settings is for owners of the decoder, not an installer. So if you're an installer, don't try to change someone's decoder default password. The default code used to be 0000, that's 4 zeros. Alright, so if you want to change it, you press on the menu on your remote, and when you come here, you look for the system settings. Alright, so the system settings, you press OK on it, and on the right side of the menu, you come down to the fourth option, that's the lock control. You press OK on it, and here you come down to change password. Alright, so you press OK on it. So you're gonna ask you for the old password, which the default code is just 40. So you type in 40 and you add the new password. So here I'm gonna use 111 up to 4. Alright. So you repeat it to actually confirm. Alright, so after that you just go back and it has been saved successfully. Alright, so I need to change it back to 40. I don't want it to be the one. So if you want to change it, you can do so. But don't do it if you are an installer installing someone's decoder. It's not a good thing to do. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, like the video, share, and come back for more. Thanks for watching.